This is not going to be am, is, or. I'm going to go with was, were. Vibisha 51 to 55.
Yes, sir. Sir, this is also was, were.
Yeah, was, were. This was.
Yes, sir. Kites dash colorful. Kites were colorful. Sir, I think.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about the full stop. Don't worry about the full stop. Okay. Don't worry about the full stop. Okay.
Yes, sir. Dash I your slave. Was I your slave? Trees dash useful for us. Trees were useful for us.
1 second. Just hold on for a second.
Sir, this is was, were, or
And was only was, were. Go with it. Don't worry. Now you get it. It is going to be was, were. Okay. Look at that.
Kites dash colorful. Kites were colorful. Dash I your slave. Was I your slave? Please dash useful for us. Please are useful for us.
Oh no. You are going to go with was or were. Nothing else.
Okay. Please were useful for us. And my father dash is a nice person. My father was a nice person.
Now, wait. If you want to go with the am, is, or, because you are getting confused here a little bit, 51 to 55, go with the am, is, or.
Yes, sir. Kites are colorful.
Very good.
Am I your slave? Keys are useful for us. My father is a nice person. We are always careful.
Now, 51 to 55, English, only the answers alone. Go with the full sentence.
Sir, 51 to 55?
Yeah, again, go with that.
Okay, sir. Kites are colorful. Am I your slave? Keys are useful for us. My father is a nice person. We are always careful.
Good job. There was a little bit confusion because of the title, but you did well. Is, am, or. Kites are colorful. Am I your slave? Trees are useful for us. My father is a nice person. We are always careful. Look at the way that always is very structural. That's a big word. We are always careful. Kites are, am I, trees are, my father is, we are.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, super. Good job, Jaita. We'll go with the 56 to 60. Am, is, or, am, is, or, am, is, or. 56 to 60.
This is our duty. They dash not responsible for this accident. They are not responsible for this accident. 58. These dash big mistakes. These are big mistakes. 59. I dash a shopkeeper. I am a shopkeeper. 60. Dash grapes in the basket. Are grapes in the basket.
Very good job. These is a good word there, and she got 58 right very nicely. Yes, Jaita, read it out with answers alone. Read it out with answers alone. I think you are not audible. Your audio is off. Anyway, I'll go with it because she's not hearing this. This is our duty because this is a singular. This is our duty. They are not responsible for this accident. They are not responsible. Plural. These again. Look at this word. This is plural. She really did well here. These are big mistakes. I am a shopkeeper. Or grapes in the basket. Or grapes in the basket. This is our duty. They are not responsible for this accident. These are big mistakes. I am a shopkeeper. Or grapes in the basket. All right. Aaron is going to do from 60 to 65. So let's wait. Just to hold up.
Dash
61,
grapes in the basket.
Yeah.
Are grapes in the basket? Temple dash not very far from my house. Temple is not very far from my house. Dash his sister week in studies. Are his sister
Careful, careful, Aaron.
is his sister weak in studies? Your friends are not your friend is not careless.
Your friends, can you go with it again?
Yes, sir. Your friends are not careless. Dash my mother at your home. Is my mother at your home? Ramu dash a faithful servant. Ramu is a faithful servant.
Go with this. Go ahead. 61, 62, 63, 64, and 65. Go with it.
Are grapes in the basket? Temple is not very far from my house. So, is his sister weak in studies? Your friends are not careless. Is my mother at your home? Ramu is a faithful servant.
No, that's okay. Very good, very good, very good. Good job, Aaron. Little bit you were struggling. Temple is not far from. Is his sister weak? Study. Don't go with the studies and all might be misleading. Your friends are not careless. Is my mother at your home? Rama is a faithful student. Right? Wow, very good. Sauria is going to do from 66 to 70. Amisar, Sauria.
Is knife sharp? These animals are thirsty. Is this room for guests? My car is very comfortable.
Careful.
Am I not with you?
Beautiful. He's going to read it again. 67 to 70. Again, he's going to read it. Very nice. Very confident. Bye. Go ahead. $66 to 70 again.
Is knife sharp? These animals are thirsty. Is this room for guests? My car is very comfortable. Am I not with you?
Superb, superb. Everyone write it down. Very, very nicely done. Look at that. Am I not with you? They're trying to mislead you with the I and you. And the am has to belong to I. And it's only I we are considering. We are not considering you here. Am I not with you? My car, only one car I'm talking about. My car is very comfortable. Is this room for guest? Don't go with guest. Go with this room. Only one room, but multiple guests. Only one room, multiple guests. So is this room for guests? Careful, careful, careful. These animals are thirsty. All right? Are thirsty. Is knife sharp? This particular knife is sharp or not? Super. So again, next class is the base for this. That could be a tough class, but same concept, that could be tough. Okay, we are going to talk about that. This is called subject verb agreement. This is a very important topic in English, and you have to be very strong with this. Then the advanced classes will become very easy. Jayana, I'm going to go with you on 71 to 75.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
71. Now a days everyone dash busy in work.
Yeah, it's a single word nowadays. Yeah.
Nowadays everyone dash busy in work. Nowadays everyone are busy.
Oh, Jena.
Is busy in work. Is busy in
Yeah,
work.
everyone means one at a time. Even though it covers everyone, it covers all. Everyone is a singular. Can you repeat? Can you repeat, Jaina?
Yes, yes. Nowadays everyone is busy in his work.
Super, super. Keep going.
Dash it his bad habit.
See, they are talking about a bad habit, right?
Is it his bad habit?
Very nice. Is it his bad habit? Is because only one bad habit they are talking about. So it has to be. It's very good job. I know it's hard. I know a little bit hard, Jaina, but you are getting through. You are coming through very nicely. Go for
Yes,
it.
sir. Cow dash a useful animal. Cow is a useful animal. Yes. So medicine dash bitter. Medicine is bitter. Next, dash you talkative. Are you talkative?
Wow, talkative means speaking too much. Very good.
Yes.
Now, 71, Jaina, you go with the answers alone.
Yes, sir. Nowadays, everyone is busy in his work. Is it his bad habit? Cow is a useful animal. Medicine is bitter. Are you talkative?
Super, super. Everyone is, right? Is it is bad habit? Is it is bad habit? Cow is only one cow. Cow is medicine. It's not medicines. Medicine is. Are you talkative? It is both you, both singular and plural. You're going to have it. Are. Go for it. Write it down. Write it down. I'll give you a few seconds.
Answer.
Yeah.
Next one, can I try?
All right. Can you, Vibisha, what did you say?
So next one, can I try?
Yeah, definitely. Look at this. Useful. Look at the useful. Look at that. It starts with the Y sound. It's not a U sound. So it has to be A. Okay, very careful. You don't go with the and useful and all just because it's starting with the U. You have to go with the U. Yeah, useful. Write it down, guys. Write it down. Important. Yeah, useful. Underline it.
Or
Look at it.
university, right, sir? Or university.
Yeah, university. Yeah, because you're starting with Y sound. Okay. All right. Now look at this again. 76. I'm going
Yes,
to go
sir,
with
can I
Vibisha.
start, sir?
Yeah, Vibisha. 76 to 80.
Yes, sir. He dash very shy. He is very shy. My parents are dash busy in this work. My parents are busy in this work. I dash not selfish. I am not selfish.
Careful.
This music, sir.
70, read it out. No, take your time. Vibisha.
Dash this news